guys, we're back with another video of dropping this thing, and as you know from our run over the laptop video, it's basically kind of broken, so we're going to be dropping it off here, right down there, and should it be open? Or okay, so we're going to drop it like 3, 2, 1. Boom! Okay, Dad, come on with me. We need to see what the evidence is. What happened? So, let's see. I'm just gonna bring it up there. But I'm not even gonna open it and till I get right here. And wow. Basically no damage happened, Dad.
Yep.
This is the same exact thing as it was how I opened it before. Now we're gonna throw it down. Okay, now this is gonna probably break like really bad, and perfect. Okay, would you see that? Okay, Dad, you need to come down to the side of me. Okay, let's see this. Let's see this. Oh, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. A lot of keys fell off. A sticker fell off. This thing came off. And the secret revealed. Is it? Can you open it? What is that? Whoa! 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 Look, guys! The screen barely broke. This screen is basically from the run over laptop. But the bottom! Oh my God! The top! Right there! Oh my God! That's so cool! Okay, so guys, please like and subscribe and watch all my videos, and